All right. You're gonna learn today.
YouTube, so today I am in the parts yard where I store my parts vehicles. This is the Dodge van that only has 17,000 original miles. Now, if you guys look at the seats, everything is in amazing condition. The door panels, everything. It only has 17,000 miles. Now, today I'm here to remove the rubber floor mat. I need this mat for my own van, so I'm going to install it along with this trim. So I'm about to remove it. Now, I know it looks dirty in the video, and that's because of the ceiling. The ceiling rotted out on this van while it was sitting. It's a shame. Like I said, the van only has 17,000 miles. I bought it from a church, but I'm here because I need these parts. So today I'm going to be pulling up this floor mat and we are going to install it. Now, anybody with these vans knows it's very hard to find the rubber floor mat, especially in good shape. They're always ripped, they're always incomplete, they're very hard to get. But I will leave a link below where you guys can order one new, because I was about to order one before I got this one. So I'm going to leave a link for you guys where you can get one new. And I'm also going to leave a link of this parts van in full, so you guys can check it out. If you need any parts, just let me know. But yeah, so to remove this, pretty simple. You just have to remove these screws to take out these steps. Remove the trim here. Have to remove the seats, unbolt them from the bottom, and then it should pull out. Alright guys, so let me get this out and I will cut you guys back on. Oh yeah guys, by the way, I'm not using the rear mat, so if anybody wants to buy the rear mat, it is available. I know it's a little hard to tell with the seats in it, but it is in excellent condition. There are no rips, no tears or anything in this back mat. So I'm only using the front section. So it starts from right here and goes all the way to the back door. So if you're interested, and this is the extended van, so make sure you have the long van. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link below how you can get in touch with me. Okay YouTube, so I'm back to the shop. I'm getting ready to lay down the new rubber flooring. As you see, there's nothing special, right? So this is how I got my van. There's nothing here at all. No carpet, anything, but the procedure is the same. Whether you're going to be installing carpet or you're going to be installing a rubber mat, the procedure is the same. It's a very easy job. You need an 11/16 socket and a Phillips screwdriver, and that's it. The screwdriver takes out all the trim. The 11/16 takes out the mounting bolts that mount the seat to the floor, and that's it. You don't have to remove the doghouse. So I'm getting ready to pull these seats out, and then I'm gonna run the vacuum through. Gonna put the shop vac and clean this up, and then we're gonna lay out the new carpet and put the trim in. So that's it. And also, don't forget to check below for Dodge Van parts and accessories. I'll leave the link below in the comment section and in the description. And on that note, let's get to work.